The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the Visible Blade 10 Prime for Visible Wireless. This is a new phone for Visible Wireless. This phone is made by ZTE. So this is the phone right here. Very nice looking phone. Just have a teardrop notch there. Y'all got to probably see it on the screen here. It's available in black, 64 gigabytes of storage, and the phone's $199. So not bad for this phone. Nice looking phone. Nice looking wallpaper as well. It kind of reminds me of the Galaxy A50, you know, kind of, you know, but you know, yeah. So that's the phone right there. Y'all guys have your volume keys and power button on the right side of the phone. Headphone jacks on top. This is your left side of the phone. So yeah, your camera just look at that just a bit. A power and volume keys on the right side. I'm not sure what this is right here. I don't know if that's a micro. I don't know if that's a SIM card slot or not. I'm not really sure. It's kind of hard to tell. And then on the back of the ZTE Blade 10 Prime, you guys have dual cameras, camera flash, fingerprint sensor, and ZTE logo, and it's available in black. Like I said, it kind of reminds me of the Galaxy A50 a little bit there. You know, nice looking phone. It's a nice fucking phone, dude. I mean, for 180 bucks, you're getting a lot. I mean, shit. So it says here, sleek smartphone with premium like features, including a dual camera for portrait photos, a 6.3-inch full screen display with water drop notch, and DTS audio for an immersive entertainment experience. So for 180 bucks, you're getting a lot. Like I said, dude. I mean, I can't believe this one's 180 bucks. It's really cool. Specs on this phone: 64 gigabytes of built-in storage, supports micro SD cards, MediaTek P60 octa-core 2 GHz. Processor, 16 megapixel front-facing camera. Holy shit! And then you have a 16 megapixel and a 5 megapixel dual rear-facing cameras. Those are your dimensions right there. 6.3 inch 19:9 Full HD plus display that is 2280 by 1080 pixels. That's 481 ppi, and you have 3200 milliamp battery, which is not removable. And I think it's running on the Android Pie, I think. So if you guys want to get the full specs for this phone, y'all guys can click right here and take you guys to the page for the Blade 10 Prime from ZTE, and y'all guys can get the full specs. I think this phone does run Pi though. I think it does. So I mean, dude, 180 bucks. Shit, you're getting a lot for this phone. I'm gonna say it has 4 gigabytes of RAM on this thing. 180 bucks, you know, screams budget phone. But no, this is like a fucking win. This is a fucking steal right here. I mean, this is a nice fucking phone. Great specs for what it is. Shit, this is a great fucking phone in terms of specs and stuff. Phone looks very nice. So yeah, if you guys are on Visible Wireless or thinking about switching to Visible, y'all guys should check out the Blade 10 Prime from Visible. It's $179, and y'all guys are getting great specs with this phone. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It bless me a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.